What is up, Geeks 4x4? Today I want to do some updates for the Excursion guys. So probably going to be a couple of really quick little videos that I'll release randomly. If you see them just randomly, it's not Wednesday, but they're short, so I wanted to add them for you guys. I wanted to give you some updates on the springs and on the Hutch harpoon mod. I think I just ended up doing the Hutch mod where I took out that filter on the inside of the fuel tank. If you haven't seen the video, I'll put a link right up here. And so anyway, ended up putting an external fuel filter and all of that stuff. I have to say, I put the, forget what year, link is in the description of that video, of pickup for in the tank. You can just buy, it's for a 6-liter, I believe, because 6-liters have the filter in a different spot. And 6-liter Excursion, that pickup actually reads differently. And so my gas light, fuel light, comes on with about 10 gallons left in the tank, which is kind of a bummer because the gas gauge, the fuel gauge was really accurate before, and now it's kind of like the light's on, but it's not really, and yeah, so whatever. That is the only thing that I got to say is the negative to that upgrade. Other than that, I haven't really noticed fuel thing. Again, I haven't done a great trip to really monitor the fuel mileage, but been towing and stuff like that a lot, so I haven't had just the truck running down the highway for a long time. So I don't know exactly on the fuel mileage, and then I did the Fuel Bowl Delete kit, so I'm not going to know on the mileage if it was any better. I honestly don't think so. Definitely did seem to quiet the truck down though, so I'm happy with that part of it. And yeah, so that is the update for the Hutch and the Harpoon mod. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn the notifications on. See you for the next one.